Hello friends, welcome to science class. So friends, today we are going to learn about the rain. Last time we have already learned about the water, and water can be changed into liquid, solid, and gas. So today, let's find out more about the rain. Do you know that rain is important for us? Rain keeps the plants to grow, give us water to take a bath, to drink, to swim, and do a lot of fun activity. And also, rain help the dust to stay away from us. Now, let's find out how the rain can be happening. When the sun shines on the water, in lake, rivers, and ocean, the water gets warm and turns into the steam, and it goes up to the sky. The name of this process is evaporation. When the water goes up into the sky, it becomes a small particle, and it is called condensation. When the particles gather together and becoming thick, the particles bump to each other, and it creates the rain. So friends, that's how the rain happens. Now it's time to have fun activity. What you are going to do is you are going to have an experiment about rain. Take a look to the video, friends. Now it is your turn. You can take observation and tell me what happened to your experiment. So friends, now you have already learned and know about the rain. See you on the next video, friends. Bye!